this video, we're gonna learn about subtraction of dissimilar fractions. As a review, dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominator. So it's the same method with addition of dissimilar fraction. First, you just have to multiply the denominators. 3 times 2 is 6. Then cross multiply both fractions. So 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 times 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then copy the denominator. So this is the final answer. Let's try another example. 2 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So same method, multiply 5 times 3, 15. Cross multiply, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 5 times 1 is 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1 over 15. So this is the final answer. Let's try mixed fractions. So we have 2 and 2/5 minus 1 and 1 over 7. So with this, it's visible that 2/5 is greater than 1 over 7, so we just have to subtract directly both similar terms. So the whole number, 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then let's create a bracket where we can put the remaining fractions. 2/5 minus 1 over 7. Then let's do the method. 5 times 7, that's the denominator, so 35. Then cross multiply, 2 times 7, 14, minus 5 times 1, so 5. So the final answer is 1 and 9 over 35. No common factor for 9 and 35, so that's the final answer. Let's try another one. Let's have 7 over 3 minus 5 over 4. So both are improper fraction, but we can proceed to the method. 3 times 4 is 12, then cross multiply. 7 times 4 is 28, minus 5 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So 28 minus 15, 13 over 12. The answer is improper fraction, but we can simplify it to a mixed number. 4, 1, and 1 over 12. So this is the final answer. Let's try another example. We have 8 over 3 minus 1 and 8 over 13. So let's try converting it to a mixed number. 2 and 2 over 3 minus 1 and 8 over 13. 2 minus 1 is 1. And let's create a bracket for the remaining fractions. We have 2/3 minus 8 over 13. And let's apply the method. So we have 1, 3 times 13 is 39. Cross multiply, 2 times 13 is 26. 3 times 8 is 24. So the final answer is 1 and 2 over 39. For the assignment, I will give this equation, then comment down below your answer. 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 3 over 5. This is assignment 1, and then assignment 2 is 2 and a half minus 1 and 1/3. Thank you, and I hope you learned lesson today.